In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import customers and suppliers in Xero. By the end, you'll have all your contacts loaded in one go without manual entry. First, open Xero and head to the contacts area from the main navigation. This is where Xero keeps both customers and suppliers together, which makes importing them at the same time nice and straightforward. Once you're in contacts, move into the All Contacts view so you can access the bulk actions for managing your list. Look for the three dots menu in the corner of the page. This menu houses the import option. Click it, then choose import. You'll land on the import screen, which is designed to guide you through the process. Before you upload anything, download the template provided on this page. Using the official template is important because the column names and format are exactly what Xero expects. Open the file and start entering your contacts. Each row is one contact. At a minimum, make sure every contact has a name. Add helpful details like email addresses, phone numbers, and postal information if you have them. You can include both customers and suppliers in the same file. Xero treats them all as contacts during import, and the template handles the difference. A few quick tips while you fill it out. Don't change the column headers, keep your data clean and consistent, and avoid extra symbols or stray spaces. If you're copying from another system, paste values only to strip out formulas. When you're done, save the file in the format the template came in. Return to Xero's import page and choose Select File. Pick your completed template from your computer. After it uploads, click Next to move to the review stage. Xero will run a quick check on your data and display any issues it finds, like missing required fields or formatting problems. If something needs attention, cancel, fix the template file, save it, and reselect it. It's better to correct everything now than to tidy up a messy contact list later. When everything looks good, continue and complete the process by selecting Complete Import. Xero will process the file and add your contacts. You'll see a confirmation when it's finished, along with how many contacts were imported successfully. Head back to All Contacts to spot check a few entries and confirm that your customers and suppliers appear as expected. That's it. You've imported your contacts into Xero quickly and accurately, ready for invoicing, bills, and reporting. If this was helpful, keep the template handy for future updates. Batch imports can save you a lot of time as your business grows.